Hello scrappers! So today I will show you what is inside these two car GPS devices. They're really old one, both of them TomTom from UK. I started unscrewing this one, just few seconds I need to remove the last 4 screws, and let's open it. Let's see what is inside. I never scrapped before such GPS devices, so I don't know what to expect inside. There should be a board. Yes, that's correct. There is a small board with the size of the device actually, and this is the battery here. It's really important to properly dispose this battery. Here it is. So I'll just put it aside. This is the speaker. I'll just put it aside too. And let's see what we have. Actually, a couple of more screws are here. Let me check if this is the correct size. Yes. First, let's say, look, I see gold plating here. This is to the, looks like audio connector. And here is the board. Under this metal coverage protective, probably we have chips. Samsung. It's a nice BGA, and probably this is the memory chip. I see one MLCC here. Can I remove this? Yes, I can remove it. Be careful with these guys because it's pretty sharp, and you can easily cut your finger with this. Let's just remove the protective coverage. So another couple of chips. These MLCCs look good. They're small, but still it adds value. So let's remove this big one. I see 2 MLCCs here that are not covered, and let's check what else we have under this protective metal. Yeah, we have one big BGA chip, and let's check what else. More or less that's everything. We have one big BGA chip here. These MLCCs, good gold plating here. Where is the connection to the screen? And actually the connectors to the screen are really well gold plated, which looks nice. And this is the touch screen. So more or less that's everything we have in this device. But this board is not bad. And this is the antenna. Actually, this is the GPS antenna on top. This is the receiver. So let me quickly remove these 2 screws and see the antenna. Can we remove it or no? No, actually it's, you see, you have solder here and here. So I have to cut this antenna from the board like this. Here we go. So this is the GPS antenna. Look how it looks like. It's really small and nice. I've tried to open it because it looks maybe possible to remove it. No, looks like encapsulated. And I'm not in my workshop today. I'm at home. So, yep, here we go. That's a small GPS antenna. Let's keep the board here and keep this antenna. Everything else is more or less some metal, one battery, and rest is one screen and plastic. Let's go to the big one now. And there are no screws to the big one. So I will start from the front panel here. I'll just push this front panel, and here we go. It worked. So I actually have screws and they're here. Not sure what is the size of this, but it looks like I'm the first person opening this GPS. Looks sealed. Now the next step is to find the correct size of these screws. Yes, here we go. There are only 4, and this is the 4th one. It's sealed. So definitely I'm the first person opening this GPS, which is good, and it looks bigger and older than the first one. So maybe we'll have more than one board in it. Let's see. Here we go. Wow. And look at this speaker. It's definitely old school. It's an old GPS. Let's remove this aluminum foil. Ooh, that's nice gold plating. Look at this element here. It definitely looks better than the modern one. Here I see more, at least 2 boards. Let's remove them quickly and let's see what is under them. There should be a battery hidden somewhere inside. So there are a couple of screws, but what I see is a little bit better. There is more gold plating here than on the previous one, gold flashing also, and this port for the cards usually inside it. You can find nice pins with good gold plating. These slot card ports are always good because you need good contact. And let me show you something else. Here, this connector is gold plated. It's really small, but it is gold plated. Probably this is the battery or the speaker that I just cut. Let's look under these protective metal caps. So I think Samsung. Again, the chip is Samsung. So in TomTom, they use Samsung chips. Here you go. I found similar on the other GPS. So what we have neck Samsung, couple of more small ICs on this side. This board looks similar to mobile phone board, to be honest. Some more BGAs we see here and here. These are the gold pins I mentioned. They're always good gold plated pins in these slot cards. So you can see this board. Great. And actually here is the battery hidden. Really nice gold plating. Look at this gold plating. I mean, you can even scratch it, you can hear it. And here is the battery hidden. I'm not sure if I can remove this easily. Let's try. Can I remove this battery is the question. Just to see what is under it. So we have 2 batteries. Huge speaker. Didn't expect that big one. Let's check this one, this size. Yeah, more or less it will work. Let me remove this huge speaker. I'm trying to commit a suicide with a screwdriver. Maybe I'll succeed to the end of this video. Hopefully someone will put it on the internet after that. So one huge capacitor it was, some metal, plastic, actually nothing here. Besides these connectors that for both GPSs are really well gold plated. Nothing else. And we have this antenna on top with this board with the antenna on top. Let's remove it quickly, like this. Here we go. Again, we have some protective coverage. Let's quickly remove it. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Quite many chips I see here. So these are another 3 BGAs and some other ICs, which is really nice. MLCCs, probably really good quality ones. This is the antenna. This is the GPS antenna. So together these two boards look nice. Okay, that's what we have from our 3 boards, from our GPSs. We have 3 boards and we have some nice gold plating in these cables to the screens. Let's put it on top like this. I'll cut the other one too. So that's the final result. Nice. It looks like a mobile phone. Takes similar time to break it and take the boards, and more or less nice chips, nice gold plating and gold flashing. I'm happy with this. Great. It's not that bad to scrap GPS devices. Thanks for watching and keep scrapping. Bye.